What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be doing a geekshare unboxing slash haul. They very kindly reached out to me and offered to send me a few things from their website. So I chose 3 items, and then I think they sent me some extra thumb grips as well for the Steam Deck. They just released on their website now some Steam Deck thumb grips. So I will leave the link to everything that I'm about to show you now. And they also gave me a discount code to share with you guys. And it's just msshinxx, so it's my YouTube channel name. And then you get 10% off. So feel free to use that because they have so many cute things. It took me so long to decide what to choose because everything on there is amazing. I'm very excited, so let's get straight into this. So the first item is a carry case for my Nintendo Switch. Oh my god, it's so cute! I chose the cat. They had it in a few different colours. They had it in, I think, grey, pink, and then this colour, but I chose this colour. I quite liked the orangey neutral colour. Let's crack it open. And the ears move. That's so cute. So it's just a complete zip around, and there is an attachment here. And of course, oh my god, it's soft, there's fur inside as well. That's so cute. And there's spaces for your games as well. And a zip pocket up here. Very cute. I love that. I love that a lot. So this is the case that I currently use for my OLED, but as you can see, it's absolutely massive, which is fine. But sometimes I'm just going away for like the week to my parents, and I don't really want to carry this humongous case all the time. And it's also kind of heavy as well, but I still really like it. But I wanted a smaller, slightly lighter case as well. Look at the difference. So because of that, I've just been carrying my Switch with no case, which is a risky business. Oh, that is what it looks like in the case. Oh my god, I love it. It's really, really cute. I'll put my games in as well. There we go. I put the games in. And in the zip pocket, I'm going to put my thumb grips. My spare thumb grips. Cute! Love that. I'm very happy with the first one. And look at the zip. It's a tail. Love it. Next, we have... oh, these are the thumb grips for the Steam Deck, which are now on their website. Oh my god, they're so cute. Let me put them on now. So I have the Steam Deck. However, I do not have a cute case for it. And there's nothing wrong with this case. I just really wanted a cute bag to put it in as well because it's massive, as you can see. So these are the thumb grips that I currently have, and excuse my fingerprinty screen. But yeah, these are the thumb grips that I currently have. Let me put some of these on. I think I'll go with the white ones. Those are the thumb grips on, so cute. Hopefully they'll bring out some skins and carry cases in the future. I've seen some really cute skins, but yeah, that's what it looks like. And then I chose a case for my Switch. Sorry, I'm trying not to drop it. Oh my god, how cute is that? So bloody cute. So bloody cute. And then on this side has the shell for the Joy-Cons. Let's pop it on. So my theme is kind of, as you can see, white and blue, kind of neutrally colors. So that's why I chose this, because I just felt it kind of went with everything else. And then a pop of neutral as well. I like that too. Where's my Switch? Oh, it's in here. So I guess it just goes like this. And then, oh. So that is what it looks like from the front. And then that is the back. How sweet. I really like that. That is so cute. And I can pop it back in the dock. The last thing that I chose, save the best till last, is this bag. Oh my gosh. So, I got this dog toast bag. It's so cute. I'm literally dying right now. It's so bloody cute. Let me unzip it. So it's kind of like, I guess, a laptop bag. And it comes with a little egg for you to hang on the strap. I will do that in a second. It comes with a large strap as well, so you can carry it on your shoulder. And that's what the inside looks like. So there's a section here. Let me get my iPad. Okay, I have my iPad. Let's see if it fits in this pocket. It does. So, look at that. Fits my iPad in there. And on the other side, you have a zip compartment, and then obviously the rest of the bag. Or I guess you could just put the iPad in the bag and put something else in here. There's also, look at the tail. I cannot. So cute. There's also a popper with a section here. How cute is that? And it's so soft. I wanted a bag specifically to carry like my Steam Deck and stuff in because it's huge and I don't always want to bring a big backpack, so I can always throw this over my shoulder. Let me put this on right now. Oh my god, it's got little legs. I'm screaming. So yeah, it's just a little coin purse. I realised I didn't even say what it is. So you can keep your AirPods in here, some loose change, your keys, whatever. So it's egg and toast. Oh my god, stop it right now. It's so cute. So these were the three things that I chose. The toast bag, this Switch carry case, and this Switch cover as well. So those are the things that I chose, but there is something else in the package. So let me see what is in there. I think it's more thumb grips. Oh my god, it is. And they're the perfect color. I actually saw these on the website and I was gonna choose them, but I was like, maybe I should wait and get them next time. But look how perfect they are. I literally want to cry. Baby blue is my favorite color. So anything baby blue and white, I'm gonna be obsessed. So, Totoro, you're coming off just for a minute, my mate. I don't know what color to do. Should I do one of each? Ooh, so bloody cute. So that's one of each, one blue. It's just so bloody cute. And it matches so nicely with the rest. And in general, with my Switch dock. How gorgeous is that? I didn't even show you guys the front parts of the case, but how perfect are they with these thumb grips? I'm obsessed. I love that so much. And then they sent me these. How cute are they? I love them. Everything, as I said, on their website is so cute. I'm so happy with everything that I got sent. Also, everything feels very high quality. The packaging is also very cute. Not that it really matters, but it's so cute. So I look forward to using all my new things. I'm sure you guys will see photos of everything on my Insta. I do have a second Instagram, which is more for like gaming and like my desk. So follow that one, is msshinxx, and then my personal page is msshinxx. I'll leave them both down below. As I said, don't forget my discount code is msshinxx for 10% off. And I would highly recommend checking out their website because there are so many things on there. You're bound to find things that you love. But yeah, that is everything I got. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing. And yeah, I might do like a little desk tour or something soon. So stay tuned for that. But let me know if you guys have any questions. As I said, I'll leave the links for these things down below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.